So today we are going to discuss how we can configure a cluster in vCenter. So we will be configuring the vSphere HA and DRS basic parameters, and I will be using 5 ESXi host in order to create a cluster. And for this test, I will be using a 6.5 update 3 vCenter server. So let's begin with uh, the demo. You can see I have a Horizon data center configured there, which is a data center which I have created. That's it. So I'll right click to it and first add the ESXi host to this data center, which I want to use in my cluster. So the first ESXi host is vuesxi1.ashu.com. So I have the referenced host records and PTR records configured in the DNS. So I will be using the names only. So now the first one is done. We'll give it a evaluation license since I will be adding the license later. Uh, Select the Horizon Data Center, finish. Since I'll be adding four more ESXi hosts, I'll be moving this process a bit quicker so that we don't waste time here. So just increase the speed of the video. So now you can see all the 5 hosts are added. Everything looks good. Now we'll right click to it and create new cluster. Here you will get an option to give it a name, uh, the DRS, the vSphere HA, EVC, and vSAN. All these features you can configure here only. So with the DRS, when you will turn it on, you will see 3 options: manual, partial, and fully automated. As you know, manual is something where you will just get a recommendation that this should be the virtual machine, this virtual machine should be placed on this host. If it is partial, you will get a recommendation. Initial placement of the VM will be done when you will be turning it on. And with fully automated, it will do the initial placement as well as it will load balance the VMs along with the whenever the load of ESXi host will change. I'll keep it a bit more on the aggressive side. I will also enable vSphere HA, and I will be enabling host monitoring. Then I generally don't like the admission control feature here in this setup since it's a lab environment. You can go ahead and enable that if you want. There is an EVC option as well, which you can enable along with the vSAN. So I will be configuring vSAN, however, I will be doing it into the later phase. So let's just create the cluster at the moment. So you can see the Horizon cluster is created. Now I'll just add all these ESXi hosts into this cluster. So you can just drag the ESXi host one by one and uh, move it to the Horizon cluster. You will see a small option being raised. You can do put all this host virtual machines into the cluster. So all the virtual machines which are associated with the host will be now associated with the cluster itself. So I just fast forwarded this process, added all the ESXi hosts. Now you can see the Horizon cluster is created. You will be seeing here some warnings regarding the most important, the data store heart beating. Since it's required for vSphere HA that there should be 2 data stores, which where you should be enabling the heart beating. However, I will be using this as a vSAN cluster. So post the cluster, I will be configuring the vSphere above